Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Wait, what was that? What is that? What is this? I'm gonna open it anyways. It is an Amazon package.
Hello, I'm Verity, your
Verity.
personal helper friend.
I'm not gonna ask you any questions. This is waste time. Okay, so let's find these trees like in real Minecraft. This is weird. Hey, hi Verity. Okay. So, let's mind these trees. Blah blah blah. Okay. So, la. Oh. Why is it teleported like a? This is creepy. Stop. You're scaring me. Stop. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, this is weird. Okay, it just flashed nighttime. What the? Okay, come on, Verity. Let's go to sleep. Come on, Verity. Let's go to sleep. And, maybe you are a little bit tired, so let's go to sleep. Sorry. Okay, that was sleepy. That fast? Jesus Christ. Yeah, guys, I forgot. Okay, never mind. Why does it look like Minecraft? But the objects is the same, and not the. I swear I saw him say said it was coming in 3 days. Okay, and I don't want to know why he said could have, but I didn't do nothing. Please, no. So, what is going on here? So, this is weird. Let's just mine some rocks. I'm never talking about what I witnessed. Okay. A little bit of trash. Just kidding. Okay. So I got bruh. I already got 6 and 3 rocks. Okay, never mind. The sun looks round, not a square. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna talk about that ever again. Sorry, guys. So let's just mine rocks and see if we can build a log wall. Then we can go back to sleep. I'm definitely joining that. Okay, let's never talk about. Hey, Verity. Verity, stop playing the music. You're gonna make me smash the window and jump over it. Too late, Verity. Now you better build log walls for me. Just kidding, guys. We have no hands. Why would I do that to only my witnesses? He's the one I care about the thing that's coming in 3 days. Okay, sorry, guys. My breath. Okay, so never mind. Too late. Okay. So what? Okay, I'm gonna put you there. We already shut up. Okay, let's go. Let's go to build a tower base, whatever it's called. Trust me, I know how to build over tower base. Just trust me. Just trust me. Sorry, guys. Okay. So let's keep mining. These trees and to death. I'm weird. This is weird. Oh my gosh. I don't like playing Minecraft sometimes. It hurts my heart. Sometimes when I play Minecraft, I kind of die. lot of stuff about even building a house. Sorry, guys. I got to dig for a little bit. Okay, so let's just mine more trees until we get to. Yep, I'm never going to talk about what it is. 25. And then we also need to do the same to the rocks. Okay, we're almost there. Last one. And the rocks is going to be hard. Okay, we're there. Mine a tree just in case. Okay, get out of my way. These signs, I don't care. Sorry. Okay. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do in my entire life. Where are the rocks? Oh, I think I see them. No, that's not the rocks. Oh my gosh. I hate this. I really hate this. Okay, so let's do work right now. Let's just do work until, oh my gosh, until we have some things. Yay! So guys, never mind. I don't know what to say. That's all I went into. Okay, so go back. Just kidding. I don't know why to talk like that in the first place, but I definitely regret that. Sorry guys, I need to cough. Oh, okay, because I almost swallowed my tongue. Just kidding. How am I supposed to swallow my tongue? Well, I'm just recording the video. Okay. Sorry, guys. So let's today's left. Good. 2 days left, and the last day I'm gonna go sleep at my over tower because I'm scared. Oh my gosh, it's definitely something bad. I definitely asked that question one day. Of course. So now we need a little bit more rocks. Just kidding. No more rocks. Now we're going to build an over tower base. Now let's no. So let's just go. Is it go down to my house? Okay, I guess I go down to my house. Okay. It's gonna take like 50 miles per hour there. So let's go. I'm scared. It's nighttime. I'm literally sneaking into my house at 3 a.m. Okay, never mind. It's at 3. 3 hit last night while I was building log walls. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hi, Verity. Let's go to sleep. You go to sleep with that bed. What? Do you look at me like that? Checking my base? You mean check out my over tower base? I guess it's time to go sleep in my over tower base. Which is the disrespectful way that Verity tells me. So let's just go. Let's just go until I have a family. This is why I hate Minecraft so much. So let's. What do you mean? What is that? Is that Verity? It's Lello. It must be Verity. Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna stay. No. Can I stay a little bit? Can I stay? Can I stay a little bit? I'm just gonna stay. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna stay for a long time until he comes back to me. I'll go wait. I'm going to wait. I am going to wait until I hear. No, I'm not going there. I'm waiting until I hear a banging sound. Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind, guys. Never mind, guys. Next time, I would take over it. And Verity, I'm not scared. What is that? Verity, stop. You're freaking me out. You are freaking me out, Verity. Stop. Stop. God! Oh, gosh. Wait. Oh, my gosh. Run. Oh, it's coming. How can he climb up the stairs? The end? The end? Is it the end? Maybe it's the end? Ah! It's at my window! It's at my freaking window! Somebody help! It's at my window! Let's get out! Let's get out! I'm scared! Please! I got 10 minutes left! Yes, I made it. Let's go. You came back for me, of course. Why not? Now let's, I guess it's time to fall to jail. So it's 40 minutes in this game. Sorry, guys. So let's go into this big, giant, ugly world. Sorry, guys. I mean, oh my gosh. It's like it is not. How am I supposed to sleep? Oh, I found a book. Good. I found a book. Good. A book. I guess that's a book. I hate books. That's why I hate books so much. Sorry, guys, I don't hate books, but I love books. Just trust me, guys. I love books. Okay, it's on a bite. Oh gosh. Wait! Leave the game? Or burn him? Or burn Rottenham? Heck nah. I'm leaving. Yes. Okay, guys. So that's it today. So I hope you have a wonderful day. So you guys got to play this game. It's called Verity TM. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And next time, I'm going to play the game more fun and more fine and more of it. So bye, guys. Make sure you hit the like button.